I have received many requests from you to create an adjustable deflector for the HVAC register. You still have the original print profile that would work fine for a 5 by 11 nominal size register. That's about 5 and 1/8 by 11 and 1/8. But if you need to modify it, I created this adjustable deflector. So that will allow you to stretch it to make it a little bit bigger. So let's download this and let's open it. Notice that the profile contains 2 plates. On each plate there is an assembly containing 2 objects. So for example, if I'm going to this plate, let's take a look on the plate, notice there is an assembly containing 2 objects. If you print it the way it is right now, that's fine. That's the typical 5 by 11 register. But what if I want to make it 1 inch longer? Well, what I can do, I can simply select one of these and simply split the assembly back to original objects. Now the objects are still going to be in their original location. Very important, don't drag them. So if I want to make this longer, I'm going to select one of them. Let's say I'm selecting the one on the right. I'm going to run the move option command. Make sure that you use object coordinates for the movements, right? So if I want to add 1 inch, that's in millimeters right now, so 25.4. And that's how much I want to move it. Looks like it's 1 inch longer. At this moment, I'm ready to bring it back as an assembly. So I hold Control, select both of them, and simply merge them. Now if I print both plates, this is going to be 1 inch longer, and you can adjust it very finely. You can go by 1 millimeter, half a millimeter, whatever, and print whatever you need. Okay, let me know if this works for you. Thank you.